Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today is all about spring because it's April now and spring is here. So I did a quick look up to see what trends are going on as far as makeup and yeah. So what I came across was illuminating face, blue or violet eyeshadow, blushed cheeks, no contouring. But yeah, so I want to kind of play with those looks and get ready for spring. I'm probably not going to do the blush cheeks because I'm not a blush person. So, but I want to try and do that more like of an illuminating face, not so matte, more that glazed look, shiny look. I've heard of glassing, you know, I don't know. That has a lot to do with taking care of your face, exfoliating, a lot of moisturizer, which I do that, but like right now I feel like I have a lot of shine going on. But let's see what we could do and play around and see if we can get ready for the spring 2018, okay? So let's get started. I am going to start off with this Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. Ooh, it looks illuminating. I do like that like all over glow. Like obviously don't like shine when it comes to grease, but I like the I'm gonna put some on my eyelids. I do like an all over glow. So I'm hoping that that shine stays through when I put the foundation on. Let me just put some primer on my eyes. You know, I got my nails done today and it's so purple. Okay, so eyes are primed. I think today, since I'm using the Physicians Formula primer, I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula foundation. Some people don't like this foundation. I actually liked it. This color might be a little too light for me, but it's fine with bronzer. I just darken it up a bit. It's fine. But today's not so much about the makeup that I'm trying. It's more about the look. So yeah, so I'm just not a blush person, like especially blush only, like yeah. So I'm gonna go light with it though. Contouring's definitely out, but I am gonna go light with my bronzer. I'm not going to go too heavy. I don't know, these illuminating primers, I want them to be illuminating and they're not really illuminating through the... Oh well. So I'm going to put some of my Wet n Wild Hello Halo liquid highlighter to kind of get that like illuminated look. And I'm even going to go more... Instead of just going up in the high cheekbones, I'm going to kind of go down here a little. And because I just want to get that glowy. So now it kind of got illuminating back. Apparently that's the look to keep for the spring. Okay, now you can see I kind of put that not just where I would normally put highlighter, I kind of put it like all over. Okay, so that gives us a nice glow, a glazed look, right? I'm going to just do my eyebrows quickly. I had just gotten this Maybelline Brow Define and Fill Duo Soft Brown Coloring Eyebrow Pencil. Because my Sephora pencil just ran out on me, which I did like that one. Let me do this first because it has the pencil to outline, even though I kind of do this, I'm not just outlining. And then on the, so it has the pencil, and then the other side has like a, I think you just fill it in like that. It's kind of cool. Blue eyes. blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna go, first of all, as I always do, and put like my clean slate on with my Naked palette. So I have a nice base to work with. Normally, I don't know if blue eyeshadow looks so great with blue eyes, but I would do purple, but I already did a purple look, a video with purple look, and blue is the color, so I'm going to try and do the blue. So I'm going to use a MAC Pro Longwear paint pot, and this is in Clearwater. So this is an eyeshadow, and I'm going to go in with my finger. Isn't that such a pretty color though? I haven't used this yet, so this is kind of like a first try. It's pretty. Actually, I shouldn't have done that first. I want to go in with the transitional color. And apparently red glossy lips are in, but when I'm doing this kind of eye color, I'm not going to go in with red glossy lips. So, okay. Back to my blue. It's really pretty because it's not too crazy or anything either. Going all over my lid with that. I like that. I'm not usually a blue person, but we'll try it. Okay, now I'm gonna go, actually before I do that, let me go. I'm using my Milani Bold Obsessions. I did the transitional color. Now I'm gonna go in with this color here. This is called Sweet as Honey. And I just wanna kind of go in the crease. I'm wondering if it's going to take away that blue. I'm trying not to go over that, but I do want to blend it too in a way to the blue. Okay, so now I'm going to go in back to my Milani, and I'm going to use Smoke Signals, which is this really deep blue. It does have a little like metallic-y shimmer to it, but not too much. I just want to some depth in those corners. And because I like to just blend with my fingers a lot, I just find it to be so much quicker and easier. I'm going to go in with my fingers and blend. I'm going to go back in with this color. I just want to go back in a little bit with the blue. Just kind of brighten it up. See how it got a little brighter? Kind of just play with the brush and blend it a little more. Okay, I'm gonna go back in and get, oh, you know what? Let's just go blue. But I want to go blue underneath, but I'm going to use my Sephora Colorful Shadow and Liner. And this is in turquoise. I'm going to go underneath. Too much? I think I smudged a little too much here. Let's see if I could. But I'm gonna go over it with this color here again. Just kind of mix it up. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish my eyes up with some liquid eyeliner. And you know, cat eyes are in, but like more like sculpted cat eyes, different type of cat eyes. Cat eyes that, if you make the big cat eye, which I normally never do, and not fill it in, like apparently that's coming in, that look. And I'll tell you, I was watching a movie the other night from the 60s, Valley of the Dolls. I'm messing this up as I'm talking. And back then, they had like a line here and a line here. It was kind of wild. I'm like, oh, it's like the styles I'm seeing on the runways now, which I don't think people are going to really use in the streets, but it's kind of cool. Okay, so I finished my eyes up. I threw some neutral lipstick on, and there you have it. I have that sort of illuminating skin. Don't know if you can tell, but it's there. And my blue eyes. It's not crazy blue because I didn't want to go too crazy, but that's my look. So that's my spring. I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for the warm weather. So sick of this winter already. Bring it on. Come on, sunshine. Like, let's go. And I'm ready to kick off the spring with my spring makeup look. So that's it. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and enjoy your day. Please subscribe if you haven't.